Bring your stitching up off the fabric with an Introduction to Stumpwork Trailing Rows online class. In the tutorial, we will take you through 3 of the basic raised stitches we have combined into this beautiful trailing rose design. Suitable for any item you want to adorn with roses, we will first take you through a quick drawing exercise to show you how to apply the design to your item of choice before walking you through the stitches step by step. As this is an online class only, there is no need to wait for or purchase a kit. Gather a few basic embroidery materials and pieces of equipment, and you'll be good to get started right away. We think this technique is wonderful for adding some extra detail to items that could benefit from a little attention. Think about hankies, scarves, ties, or a napkin set. Alternatively, you could use it as a repair technique to cover over the damaged area of a garment, like an ink-stained shirt cuff, pocket on jeans, or a tatty hem. Head to the London Embroidery School website for all the details and to get your class sent directly to your inbox now.